China's success can be attributed to several key factors, each playing a significant role in its rise as a global powerhouse. Here, I'll outline some of these factors within the given character limit. Economic reforms. China's economic transformation began with Deng Xiaoping's reforms in the late 1970s. The shift from a planned economy to a market-oriented one led to rapid growth and modernization. Manufacturing and export. China became the world's factory by offering low-cost labor and manufacturing capabilities. It became a hub for global supply chains, boosting exports. Infrastructure development. Massive investments in infrastructure, including high-speed rail networks, highways, and ports, improved connectivity and facilitated economic growth. Education and human capital. A focus on education and skill development produced a highly educated and skilled workforce, essential for innovation and competitiveness. Foreign direct investment, FDI, attracting foreign investment through liberalized policies encouraged technology transfer and industrial development. Global trade. China's active participation in global trade agreements and organizations expanded its access to international markets. State-led development. State-owned enterprises played a crucial role in strategic sectors, ensuring government control and support in key industries. Research and development. Increasing investments in R&D have enabled China to become a leader in technology and innovation. Urbanization. The migration of millions from rural areas to cities fueled economic growth and created a massive consumer market. Foreign policy. China's diplomatic efforts and Belt and Road Initiative strengthened its global influence and secured access to resources. Stable government. Political stability and a long-term vision provided by the Communist Party have ensured continuity in policy and planning. Adaptability. China has shown a remarkable ability to adapt to changing circumstances, which has been vital in its economic evolution. Financial system. Reforms in the financial sector have allowed China to raise capital and fund ambitious projects. Environmental challenges. Addressing environmental issues and transitioning to greener practices is increasingly important for sustainable growth. Global collaboration. Engaging in international collaborations and partnerships has enhanced China's soft power and global reputation. Cultural influence. The promotion of Chinese culture, language, and media has expanded its cultural influence worldwide. In conclusion, China's success is multifaceted, combining economic, political, and social elements. Its rapid ascent on the global stage is a result of strategic planning, prudent policies, and a commitment to innovation and development. However, it's essential to note that China also faces various challenges, including social inequality, environmental issues, and geopolitical tensions, which will shape its future trajectory.